Among other multiple file formats, Approval Studio supports an MP4 extension for video review. Opening video in our proofing tool, you will see many familiar interface elements, but some things will be different. Left top corner has a button that will open the versions menu for you to check. Then there's annotation mode, approve and request changes buttons, and video download. You will be able to send your video for an external review using the share button in the top right corner. The last element here is the commentary panel, which is now empty. To start a video review, press play, pause at the necessary moment, and then highlight the area with the annotation. There will be an annotation mark on the video progress bar below, with the specific text and timestamp. The on-screen annotation will only appear when you fast forward to this moment or click on the progress bar mark. The comments and replies will also appear on the right panel. Clicking on the comment there will highlight the annotation as well.
Hi guys, Andrews here from Approval Studio, and this is the new video about the new feature introduced in the new release of Approval Studio in summer 2024. Workflow automation. You've been asking for this feature for a long time and it's finally available. So from now on you can automate your mundane tasks in Approval Studio and make system work for you. In this short video, I'll show you how to set up your first workflow. We will set it up together. I'll show you how to launch it. And of course, if you have more questions about workflow and other features that we have introduced in the latest release, you can always contact me or our support team and book a demo session. So let's start by going to Settings in right upper corner, and we will select the Company Management. In here, you will see the brand new section called Workflow. And that's the place where we can set up our first workflow. So let's hit Create Workflow button. Let's give the workflow a name and let's start adding the actions. So workflow will consist of different actions. Based on different triggers, system can perform different tasks. For example, I want to set up the task that when the project is created, I want the designer to receive the task to upload the file. So the step will be also one, trigger will be project created, and the action will be create an internal upload asset task. As you can see, you can also set up external upload asset task request. Thus, you will be able to request your clients probably to upload those files to your project. But we will use the internal task, and I will set the condition that this task will be assigned to me. I can put an optional comment or the due date, but I will skip it. So when the project is created, create internal upload asset task to Andrew. Let's add another action, action number 2, that when Andrew performs the internal upload asset task, so trigger internal asset task upload completed by this guy, then the system will create the internal review task. So we will send the task for review, the file for review. And again, I will select myself here. As you can see, I can put a checklist, I can put some different descriptions, but we will skip it again. Next action will be as soon as the revision by Andrew is completed, I want to send this task to production. So the action number 3 will be when internal review approved again by me, system will send asset by email, and I can put the email address of our production team. Now let's save this workflow and let's activate it. Done. Now let's create our first project with this workflow. So we'll hit Create Project button. We will give the name to this project and we can select Workflow. Create New Project, done. And you will see that as soon as the project created, it already has the tasks to upload asset. Now let's go back to the dashboard and upload some file that we're going to review later on. Okay, we're uploading the file. Let's complete this task. And again, as soon as this task completed, you see that I already have a new task in this project. It says review as a task for Andrew. Let's open it up. As you remember, the condition was as soon as the task is approved, it will be sent via email to our production team. So I'm approving this task. Let's get back to the dashboard. And here's our project. You can see that it was approved. Let's open and let's see the timeline. And you will see that Andrew sent this file to the production team. So as you can see, everything is simple. You can also set up different conditions, like if the file was rejected, you can generate a new task to upload a new file version or send it to somebody else for revision. You can also create subsequent revisions. So when the user A approves it, then send it to user B, and then if it's approved, send it to user C. So there are multiple scenarios. You can see all of them while playing with the system. Again, all you need to do is to go to Settings, Company Management, and here you can set up different workflows. So you can have multiple workflows, and you can even switch between those workflows during the project progress. So, for example, once the workflow number 1 is completed, you can use the drop-down menu and switch to another workflow, or you can deactivate workflow for the specific project. So everything is up to you. I hope you like the new feature. I hope you find this video useful. You can post questions here down below in the comments, or as I said, you can contact our support team and let us know what you think. Consult with us, and we're here to help you. Have a great day. Cheers.